The thing with chimneys is that a chimney goes usually further up than the eaves, doesn't have an eave over it to protect it. And so you really have to think about what product you're putting on it. Oftentimes in the Colorado mountains, we see those chimneys filled with woodpecker holes, really rotting. You have a piece of trim underneath the chimney cap that's warping, curling, cupping, starting to come apart. That presents a real challenge. What kind of product are you gonna put on that that's going to stand up to Colorado's weather, stand up to our tough environment? James Hardie is the product that we recommend for that. It's the most durable product. We're gonna use James Hardie trim, James Hardie siding. The good thing about putting James Hardie on your Colorado mountain home is that you're not just protecting it from the elements like moisture, the cold, the freeze-thaw cycles, you're also protecting it from one of our big threats in Colorado, which is wildfires. James Hardie can be part of a Class A fire-rated system for your cladding, for your exterior of your home. So not only does James Hardie stand up to the elements, but it also protects you against pests and against things like wildfires. When it comes to the eaves, we call that the soffits and the fascia. We can replace the soffits of your home with James Hardie. James Hardie has a ventilated soffit product that we can put up in the eaves that allows for your attics to be vented properly. Some unique challenges that we face when replacing the soffits on your house is that soffits aren't always framed the way that they should be. A lot of homes that we find in the Colorado area actually don't have any framing holding up the soffits. So you've got composite wood soffits. As they start to rot and fall apart, you'll see them start sagging and kind of falling down. With Bellwether, you're gonna get a quality install. We're gonna come in and we're going to frame your soffits. We're gonna put blocking in your fascia, which is the way that we wanna do it with code. That means that when we go to put your gutters on, your gutters are gonna have something solid to attach to. The whole system is gonna be a high quality install.